What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Dr. Technology. Apple may finally bring always on display to the upcoming iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. According to a report from Bloomberg Smart Garment, Apple could introduce the feature with iOS 16, allowing the iPhone to display a limited amount of information even when it's locked. Garmin says that iPhone's version of Always On mode could work similarly to the way it does with the Apple Watch Series 5 and up the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will drop the lock screen's frame rate with Always On mode enabled, letting them conserve energy while the display remains powered on. It's unclear if the new iPhone will use the same low temperature polycrystalline oxide LTPO display Apple uses in newer watch models. Those low powered screens play a huge part in getting always on mode to work properly, as they are built to keep devices from consuming too much power. Last year, analysts predicted that the iPhone 13 would come with an LTPO display to enable always on display. A number of Android devices already support always on mode and have for many years. On certain Samsung devices, for example, always on display can show the time, battery level, widgets, and more, all while the phone stays locked.